Hey there, little chefs! Today we're going to make a super yummy key lime pie with a cloud-like cream topping. Are you ready to put on your chef hats and join me on this delicious adventure? Let's get baking! This key lime pie is so easy to make, even beginner bakers can make it like a pro. We'll crush some biscuits, mix up a creamy filling, and top it all off with a mountain of fluffy cream. Trust me, your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. Before we start baking, let's gather all our ingredients. It's always good to have everything ready before we begin. For the crust, 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs, about 10 full crackers, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, and a 1/4 cup granulated sugar. For the filling, 4 large egg yolks, 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup key lime juice, about 20 key limes, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the cream topping, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the fun part, making the pie. First, we'll make the crust. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and sugar until it's like wet sand. Press this mixture into an even layer on the bottom and sides of a 9-inch pie plate. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until lightly golden. While the crust is baking, let's make the filling. In another bowl, whisk the egg yolks until they are light yellow. Pour in the sweetened condensed milk and whisk well. Next, stir in the key lime juice and salt until everything is mixed well. Once the crust is baked, carefully pour the filling over it. Bake for another 15 to 17 minutes or until the filling is just set. It might still be a little jiggly in the center, but that's okay. It will set as it cools. Now for the finishing touch, the dreamy cream topping. In a clean bowl, use an electric mixer to whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Slowly add in the powdered sugar and vanilla extract while whipping until stiff peaks form. Gently spread the whipped cream over the cooled pie. You can even get fancy and use a piping bag to make pretty swirls. Finally, cover the pie and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, or even better, overnight. And there you have it, a slice of sunshine on a plate. This key lime pie is tart, sweet, and oh so refreshing. I hope you enjoy making and sharing this delicious treat with your loved ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy recipes.